Do two people work hand in hand if they aren't going to the same place? Amos 3:3. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry I'm looking like this and I'm coming to you guys like this. I just want to show you guys my transformation from how I will definitely, tie up my hair and all of that good stuff. So today is an Ankara inspired makeup tutorial and head wrap and all of that. I'm using this head wrap to do that. It's a very small piece. So I'm gonna use this to just tie my hair. I hope you guys see how I do that. Making sure both sides are equal and my ears are covered. So the first one with one knot and the other, I draw this part and place the other knot, making sure that part doesn't leave at all. Next, I'm taking one of the fabric to just cover the knot and tuck it in the wrap. Just hope you guys understand what I explained. So yeah, this is it for my head wrap. I love how it stretches my face. I don't know if you guys see that, but I do see it. So first thing first off, my brows are clean and smooth. Yeah, they're looking their best right now. Like, I'm so excited for that. And I think I have a video on how I grew my brows to them looking this pretty. So if you want to know how to do that, I'm gonna link that video in the description bar. So this makeup is inspired by this head wrap, and I'm just gonna draw my brows. And to fill in my brows, I'm going to use this Ocean's eyebrow kit to do that. I'm filling it lightly, nothing too dramatic, nothing too much, very light, because my brows are on fleek, baby. I'm taking my flat concealer brush and I'm taking my Ferrarusi FBH concealer, and I'm taking one of my favorite shades, which is this shade. This is practically the shade I'm going to be using to highlighting and doing all of the light stuff today. So in case I don't show you guys the shade I use in highlighting my face, just know it's that shade. I'm going to use this to just clean my brows. I've cleaned my brows and I went in with the same concealer that I used to clean my brows to just prime my eyelids, and I'm going to blend that out immediately. So I just went ahead with my setting powder and just set my concealer on my eyes. And next thing, I'm going to be going in with my NYX jumbo pencil in milk. I'm going to use this to just pop it in my eyes so that my colors, the eyeshadow colors, are going to come out really nice. The palette I'm really going to be using more for my eyes is the Pop Feel eyeshadow palette, and this palette called the Pro Color Studio eyeshadow palette. This is what it is looking like. And from the Pop Feel, I'm going to be using this first colorful palette, because there are two palettes. I've not used this before though. I haven't used it since when I got it, so obviously today I'm going to tell you guys how this eyeshadow works. Taking this eyeshadow brush, I'm going to take in this yellow shade. This yellow shade from my Pop Feel. It doesn't really matches the yellow on my head, my scalp, but I just want to see how it appears. What? Are you serious? Guys, I got this palette for like, how much? I think 500, but because it was not even up to 1,000 naira. What? The pigment is crazy. So I'm gonna go in with this other yellow from the pop field to just mix that yellow as well, to just give it like my Ankara vibe, yellow and all of that. I'm gonna go in with this shade, and put it right next to the yellow shade. These colors are so pigmented, like so pigmented. And next off, I'm gonna go in with a purple shade, and this purple shade from the Pop Field eyeshadow palette, I'm just gonna put that right next to the red shade I put before that. For my I'm taking from one of my eyeshadow blend and just blend out the edges from my Zoeva brush palette. Brush set. I said brush palette. Coffee eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go in with black and just stock it here at the ends to give it more definition. And I'm going in with the same blending brush I used to just blend that out. So yeah, all I did was just did my other eyes, and I went in with my eyeliner and draw me on some wing. I'm gonna go in with my black pencil from Oceans and just line my waterline. I'm taking this blue. Oh, this blue is so cute. And just pop that as the first color underneath my eyes. So I'm just going to take in a green shade from that same palette and just put it at the end part of my eyes, of my under eye, like so. So what I'm going to do for my skin, I'll just prime my skin using my Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix spray. I'm going to use that to prime my face. Yeah. Okay, first off, yeah, I'm not a person that uses setting spray to, you know, prime my face and all of that stuff, but I've been really liking just using the setting spray because my skin is not as producing oil as it used to. Maybe sometimes if I just want to, you know, do more, if I want to just do more, I just put a setting spray. When it dry, I go on with a setting powder, but today I don't think I'm going to be doing that. So for foundation, I'm using my Mary Kay foundation, medium coverage foundation in the shade 360, in the shade 600. I'm thinking about my Maybelline, and I'm using the Youthful Wear foundation, Kiss Beauty with Youthful Wear foundation in the shade 1. I'm mixing both foundations on my face, and to apply that, I'm just going to go in with a really good damp sponge. So I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cubit ball, my chin, and Waver's contour, because I'm not doing any cream contour today. I'm not ready. So I'm going to take in this pretty small beauty sponge from my Shimei sponges and just, you know, blend all that contour, all that highlight out. So to sort of set my highlight, I'm using the fiery gold powder to just do that set underneath my eyes. So to contour my face, I'm going in with my Tara palette to just contour my nose and my face. Dust off all the excess powder. For For blush, I'm going in with this shade from my Tara palette, my Tara blush palette. So to highlight my face, I'm going in my ND3D highlighter and I'm using this shade to highlight my face, and the shade is called Rose Gold. So to blend my whole face together, I'm taking my Avon compact powder in the shade Fawn. This is what it's looking like. With this classic lipstick in the shade Thunder, and I'm going in with this lipstick from Miss Rose. I'm using this to line my lip and use this at the center to create an ombre neutral look. So yeah, this is it for the makeup look. This is my Ankara inspired makeup look. I hope you guys learned a tool thing from this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and follow me on my social media platform. They're going to be down in the description bar. I love you more, but God loves you most.